world, but one of them is being able to be completely submerged and have that trunk up to be able to be in the snorkel there. So you can see Meru saying hi to big sister Nandi there. Nandi just turned 10 years old on August 20th. Nandi was the first elephant ever born here in the state of Arizona. And then, of course, Penzi, her sister, younger sister, is just 5 years old. She was the second elephant ever born here in the state of Arizona. And then, of course, Meru being the third elephant. The one that we left out is Lungile. She's just to the left there if you're looking at the elephants. Lungile is the auntie. She's the owl mother. She's an unrelated adult female. And in the elephant species, they have what's called those owl mothers that help to babysit the youngsters that aren't quite old enough to go off on their own, but still need that extra guidance. So when Meru was born, Semba, whose mom, was paying the majority of attention to Meru, forced the offering path. And then Penzi, who was only about 3 years old at the time, kind of got pushed away from mom. And that's where Lungile and big sister really come in and help take over raising and caring for them so they're not on their own. It's an amazing family dynamics that happens with elephants, and this is why they are so successful. You are seeing some training with Laura and Lauren. They are actually asking the elephants to come into the pool here. We do only positive reinforcement training here at our zoo, and that is through what we call protective contact. So we never go into the same space at the same time with the elephants. There's always a barrier between us and the animals. That's to keep them safe and to keep us safe as well. And what it allows us to do is obtain training through some positive reinforcement. Looks like the room's trying to figure out how to navigate the pool area there around. That's pretty funny right now. She's kind of like, I'm out of it. Or something that's mom there. But you can just look at it is they're able to pick up very complex behaviors. Being able to do voluntary blood draws, asking an elephant to position their body in a way, tap on their ear, put that ear out, and allows the keepers to voluntarily draw blood from vessels in their ears. And we don't restrain them, we don't sedate them, we don't hurt them at any moment. The elephant can walk away, but they choose to stay there, and that's because of the relationship and the bond that they have created with their keepers. There's a lot of trust that goes into that. These relationships are built over days and weeks and months and years. The elephant keepers become part of the elephant family. That means they have to know each individual elephant, they have to know their behavior, what they do, and what they react to, and then also what their capabilities are. So they work hand in hand with each elephant to create amazing behaviors.